Hi, welcome to the Luminkey Magger68 review video.
Slow down, baby.
What's up guys, Sauce here, hope your day is going well. If my mic sounds bad right now, I'm currently in the process of moving, so it'll all be fixed soon. So this is the Magger68 Pro.
That is very interesting.
Now this doesn't sound too bad because it's a HE keyboard, a Hall effect keyboard. If you don't know what a Hall effect keyboard is a type of keyboard that uses magnetic sensors to detect key presses. This actually makes the keyboard more accurate, and you can change the actuation on this keyboard. Shout out to Luminkey for sending this keyboard out so I can do this review. Before we get started, I would like you guys to know I do have some desk mats that are available. These are holiday themed, so happy holidays, Merry Christmas. I'm pretty sure you'll like some of these, so go ahead and check them out. Anyway, let's get started. So this is the Magger68 by Luminkey. It's a Hall effect keyboard, and there are two different kinds. There's the performance version and professional version. The performance version is, I think, $30 cheaper. For the performance version, you have a choice of one switch, which is the Gateron Magnetic White Pro switches, and for the professional version, you have the choice of the Gateron Jade Pro switches, magnetic switches. So in the box it comes with everything you need, like a switch and keycap puller. Although this is a Hall effect keyboard, you can't change out the switches and try other Hall effect switches. It also comes with the manual and the USB-C cable. Pretty simple stuff, nothing too major. There are 3 different colors you can pick in both configurations, and I actually think the white one does look the best. The great thing about this keyboard is it's a Hall effect keyboard, but it comes with the custom keyboard build. So you don't have like a plastic body. This one is a full aluminum case, and it has a really nice design on the back as well. This does use a proprietary software, which is Luminkey's HE software, where you can change the actuation, the buttons, and everything like that. I'll do a little quick demo of the application. We won't go too in detail about Hall effect keyboards. There's videos on YouTube already about that, so you should check out those. This keyboard's polling rate goes up to 8K, and it has a 0 millisecond latency. And I know this is really good for gamers, but for everyday typing it makes it faster as well. As I mentioned earlier, you can change the actuation on this keyboard, and it is really nice. I'll put the specs of the switches on the screen right here. This keyboard also does have rapid trigger. I get those comments all the time, does the keyboard have rapid trigger? Yes, this one does have rapid trigger. This keyboard does have a really nice build quality and has a lot of foam, which makes it sound a lot better than a lot of other HE keyboards. A lot of Hall effect keyboards are plastic and they don't have a nice case or a nice build quality. This one definitely does, and it's kind of in the price range of other Hall effect keyboards. I don't know how this keyboard compares to the Wooten keyboard and its accurateness of the magnetic switches, but when I do get that keyboard, I'll let you guys know how good it is compared to that one. The sound quality of the keyboard, as I said earlier, is decent. It's not bad. It's definitely better than other HE keyboards though. And for my final thoughts, I think this keyboard is really good. I really enjoy typing on it and playing games on it. I'll show you what it looks like when playing games on it later on in the video. But this is definitely one of the best looking and sounding Hall effect keyboards I've seen in a while. Stock, of course, because if you custom build a Hall effect keyboard, you can definitely make it sound better than this one and perform better. Like if you get a Wooten keyboard and then customize it, it'll probably be better than this keyboard. But this keyboard is actually a solid stock keyboard that is a Hall effect keyboard. The keycaps are good, the switches are good, the key presses are decent. I don't know how Wooten's does it compared to this one, but I'll let you guys know if it's better or worse when I get the Wooten 80 HE or 65 HE whenever they decide to bring that one out. Anyway, I do think this is a really great custom Hall effect keyboard, so go ahead and check it out and see if this is the right one for you. Now I'll show you what it sounds like and we'll do a little gaming session with it. And if you made it to the end of the video, happy holidays. Thank you so much for watching. Tell me if you will get this keyboard. Is this something that piques your interest? Comment below, let me know, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.